Especially for so, tinuturuan niyo rin po ba si Kit magluto? Sometimes.
Especially on those recipes that are...
Sino naman ma'am yung sino naman ma'am yung nagmana sa'yo yung mahilig magluto? Una, pangalawa o pangatlo?
Pangalawa.
Yung pangalawa, si ate. So, tamang-tama ma'am, diba? Talagang dapat turuan magluto. Ayan, so ma'am, umaamoy na yung paella natin.
Kuya will be helping you mixing the other parts.
Diba? Nag-help si Kuya. So, Kuya, mahilig ka rin magluto o hindi masyado?
Hindi masyado.
Fried rice lang.
Pag nautusan lang.
Pag nautusan
He
lang.
loves more eating.
Pero hindi masyadong halata. So, talagang siguro hyper si Kuya.
Yes, very.
Kaya parang medyo hindi tabain. Tsaka si Mami hindi tabain in fairness. Sexy pa rin kahit may na siya, 3 kids na.
Mix well.
Diba? Umaamoy na ba ma'am yung paella na?
Yes, and it looks really yummy and it smells yummy as well.
You know ma'am, Karaoli Ora mismo, walang added na MSG po. Kaya safe na safe kainin ng mga kids. So yung MSG na ginamit dyan ma'am is natural. Kasi yung mga raw ingredients naman po, diba, yung mga ginagamit po sa cooking, diba rin naman po, yung parang meron silang sariling MSG, yung pampalasa talaga.
The taste of itself.
Opo, yun yung yun yung pinaka-MSG na ginamit ni Clara. So natural. Galing mismo sa ingredients, sa raw ingredients na.
So health buffs out there, you must try this.
Yes. Then ma'am, rin po, fortified with iron, mas pampakulit,
Mixed with nutrients, essential nutrients for us. So for all moms out there, you must try this.
Diba? Nagpapap na. So paella yung niya.
Yes, the smell with the, looks like the bell pepper is in.
Yes, ma'am. No need to add onion, garlic.
All the garnishings that we chop and get this with one step na lang and it's out there for everyone.
Parang 1, 2, 3 na lang ma'am. Yan na, okay na.
All busy moms, this is, I think, one of those that you should be having in your grocery.
Yes. Fit na fit yan sa inyo ma'am. Are you
It's
working
healthy and it's
mom,
fast.
ma'am? You're working pala ma'am.
Yeah, I'm a teacher actually.
Teacher, that's why you're good in speaking. So pero hindi naman mukhang strict kasi mami.
Actually,
Usually sa mga teacher kasi they are very strict talaga eh.
magkaharap lang sila actually. Kasi if you need to really teach them the discipline to listen to you while teaching. Just like in cooking, you have to have the discipline of what putting first.
Opo. Kasi ma'am, parang pag hindi mo sila inistriktahan, no?
Yes, later on it will go back to you.
Parang hindi sila matututo. Hindi naman kayo stricta ma'am sa mga baby mo. Hindi naman.
Pardon?
Sa mga baby mo.
When it needs us, with the situation, it calls for it. Pero otherwise, just an ordinary relationship.
So you are a lenient mom.
Okay, so it looks like can be ready.
I think ma'am, it's okay na po. So ilalagay na ni ma'am sa bowl.
Okay, so I'll be putting it here.
Cool.
Ma'am, invite na lang po the other moms to like your, to like the Clara Olay Facebook.
All the moms out there, I think this is a must. Especially those who will be seeing this with the smell, with the aroma, and with the kind of lifestyle we have that we have to eat, especially with the little amount of time that we have to serve our family the best that we can give them.
Ito ko lang sigari naman.
Sarap yung luto niya. Saktong-sakto lang. Ano na siya?
Tasting it. Let my son See the result.
Wow. Nakakaibig naman.
Parang may ang palaya. Ma'am, you taste.